This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contractor discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
Morning guys, November 5th, 2019. So there I got a call from an older lady. She's got a gas furnace that won't shut off, just keeps running, so she had to shut it off downstairs. So it might be a thermostat issue, thermostat wire. It might be a bad board relay, I don't know. It's a Lennox. She said it's a Lennox furnace, so we'll have to go by and see what's going on with it. We'll disconnect the thermostat, see if it keeps running, and get into it from there. Molly got her coat off. It's warming up here, so Princess, Miss Molly. Alright, so it's set at 72. When you said it keeps running?
Yeah, I got the...
We're gonna set it for 60, and it's 63 in here. And then it's on automatic fan. It's on heat. Set at 60. Alright, so the furnace shouldn't run. The fan's on automatic. Fan on. Circulate. Fan automatic. Boy, it's hard to see it. It's hard to see it unless you just get it a certain way.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go take a look downstairs. You got a new thermostat.
Yeah, I didn't know if that was good. It says for second.
Smells like cat piss down here.
Well, I have 2 litter boxes over here.
Yeah, she's firing up.
Yeah. And it's pine too. I use pine litter. So it's really not good. So not this.
Shouldn't be firing up. The thermostat shouldn't be calling, right? We'll have to disconnect the wire and see what's going on with it. So you go just disconnect that thermostat upstairs, see what happens there. I'm gonna take the thermostat right off the wall.
Yeah, yeah.
And then if that shuts it off, we know it's a bad thermostat. Set for 60, 64 in here. Got the old thermostat wires. Wow, it's not good. Yeah, it looks like that's what it is. The thermostat's bad.
Well, I suspected that from...
Let's make sure it shuts down when it goes through a cycle, but
Yeah,
that's what it looks like it is.
yeah. It's a piece of plastic that's on the side of that thermostat. If I can get away without using batteries, I'd rather do it.
Yeah, we'll put that other one on there for you. That's not a problem.
That sounds good. That sounds like a piece of mind for me. Well, go to work and come home and go, oh, the heck is this? The house is 50 degrees. Oh, battery.
Let's just go. You change the filters in this thing regularly?
I do once a month. Yep.
Okay,
I got a whole
yeah.
stash over here. Absolutely.
That should shut down in a minute here. Cools the heat exchanger off. There it goes.
Cats, the fur builds up.
Yeah, see, so it shut off. I pulled the thermostat off the wall and it shut off, so we'll change it.
I hope you don't have it too much trouble.
Alright, so the gas warmier is off and off. I just hooked up the red and white there on the thermostat, and that should take care of it. turn it up, it should click. There it goes. Hear the fan come in?
Sounds wonderful.
Did you hear it?
I do.
Hear the fan go off?
Yep.
Alright, so we'll turn it up for now so I could do the cleaning on the flame sensor, but
Okay,
it is work.
okay.
You could hear it, right?
Yes, I did hear it, yes. Yep. Yep, it's going, yep. It's going now.
Can hear the fan, right?
Yes.
The exhaust fan.
Yeah. And now it's
Then it went down. Alright, so we know this one's working. Now I'll change the flame, clean the flame sensor in the burner while I'm here. See if the light stays on. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna clean the flame sensor. That flame sensor's way up inside there. I did check it, it looks okay. I'll leave it. Be a bitch to get that one out of there. Good enough for this neighborhood. So obviously the thermostat needed replacing. We got that changed out. Lennox. Replace thermostat. There you go. I don't like cat piss down here. They're gonna be pissing on the floor. Yeah, they're pretty bad. Says she changes the filters, so. Alright, so we put it at 62. That's where you want it. Like I said, that top and that bottom reading is not always accurate, so don't get weirded out about that.
No.
Just set the top for where you feel comfortable, and that's it. All
I'm
right.
gonna take this off so I
You need wallpaper, huh?
I don't know where we're going with this. I don't know if that stuff has asbestos in it, so we just stopped.
Where's the cats?
Huh?
Where's the cats?
Oh, I put them upstairs. You don't need them running around.
They'll probably attack me, huh?
No, no. Okay, maybe I can do a little better with this. Okay.
But they'd piss on me if I was here.
No.